Hello everyone. In this tutorial on PMN Online, we will learn how to upload multiple files to Google Drive. Have you ever faced the challenge of managing countless files scattered across various devices? Uploading multiple files to Google Drive can be a lifesaver, allowing you to keep everything neatly organized in one secure place. This tutorial will walk you through a simple and efficient process that you can complete in just a few minutes, ensuring you can access your files from anywhere at any time. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you like. Once there, type drive.google.com into the address bar at the top of the page and hit enter. If you haven't logged into your Google account yet, the site will prompt you to enter your credentials. Simply fill in your username and password to proceed to your Google Drive homepage. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the main screen of Google Drive. Here, you'll see all your existing files and folders laid out neatly. If you're new to this interface, don't worry, I'll guide you through each step. Now, focus your attention on the top left corner of the screen. You should see a button labeled New. It's designed to stand out, making it easy to locate. Click on this button and a drop-down menu will appear, offering you several options. From these, you'll want to choose File Upload. This option is typically listed right after Folder Upload, making it easy to find. Clicking on File Upload will open a window showing your computer's file system. This is where you can access all the files and folders stored on your device. To upload multiple files, navigate through your folders to locate the files you want to add to Google Drive. If you're using a Windows computer, hold down the Control key on your keyboard. For Mac users, hold down the Command key. While holding the key, click on each file you wish to upload. This allows you to select multiple files at once without losing your previous selections. It's a handy trick to save time and effort. Once you've selected all the files you want to upload, look towards the bottom right corner of the File Explorer window. Here, you'll see an Open button. Clicking this button starts the upload process, transferring your selected files to Google Drive. As the upload begins, keep an eye on the lower right corner of your Google Drive screen. You'll see a small progress bar that indicates how much of the upload is complete. The time it takes to finish the upload will depend on the size and number of files you're transferring. Larger files or numerous files might take a bit longer, so a little patience will go a long way. And there you have it. Once the upload is complete, your files will be safely stored in your Google Drive, ready for access from any internet-connected device. This makes it incredibly convenient to retrieve and share your files whenever you need them. That's it for this tutorial on how to upload multiple files to Google Drive. If you found it useful, hit subscribe and stay tuned for more helpful videos.